In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a local weather calendar to your Google Calendar with convenient weather icons. This is a fantastic way to stay updated with your local weather forecast directly inside your calendar, making it easier to plan your days. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, the familiar interface will greet you with your existing events and reminders. Now, to add a local weather calendar, we'll need to do a little bit of searching. So open a new tab in your browser and perform a quick Google search for weather and calendar. After typing this in, click on the result that says weather and calendar. This will direct you to a website specifically designed to integrate weather forecast into calendars. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and perfect for our needs. Now, on this site, you have a couple of options to customize your weather updates. You can choose to track either the temperature or go for the more detailed option of daily highs and lows for your region. Once you've made your selection, look for a button that says Copy URL. Click on it to copy the link to your clipboard. This link is essentially the calendar you'll be adding to your Google Calendar. Now, return to your Google Calendar tab. Look to the left corner of your calendar where you'll notice a plus icon next to other calendars. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select from URL. This option allows you to add a calendar using the URL you copied earlier. A new field will pop up, prompting you to paste the URL. Go ahead and paste the link that you previously copied from the Weather and Calendar website. Now, with your URL pasted, you'll see an option to Add Calendar. Click on this to finalize the addition of your new weather calendar. Google Calendar will integrate this smoothly, and in just a moment you'll notice new icons and entries in your calendar. These icons represent the daily weather forecasts right alongside your usual events. It's a seamless way to incorporate essential weather information into your daily planning routine. And there you have it. Now you can easily see weather icons and forecasts directly within your Google Calendar. This setup ensures that you'll never be caught off guard by unexpected weather, and you can plan your activities and events with confidence. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and visual appeal that these weather updates bring.